I am Engineer Ibikunle Sunday. Good day, everyone. This is a 630 amps dual ATS panel. 630 amps dual ATS panel controlling 2 generators and disco main supply, controlling 2 numbers of 150 kVA generator and 150 kVA generator FG Wesing. This is the first generator, while this is the second generator, 150 kVA generator. As you can see, generator. Then let's see the front internal layout of the panel. I want to open the panel to see the components of the panel. Open. I'm opening the panel, consisting of 3 numbers of contactors. This is contactor 1 for main supply, contactor 2 for gen 1, and contactor 3 for gen 1. These are the bus bars. These are the bus bars. These are the bus bars, 30 by 10 bus bars, and this is the auxiliary. This is the control. These are the controls that feed or control the panel. The control MCB for mains, the VMR. This is the timer for the VMR. This is the control MCB for gen 1. This is the 24 hours timer. This is the timer 1 for mains, timer 2 for gen 1, and timer 3 for gen 2. This is the shutdown timer, while these are the shutdown relays. This is the main contactors. This is the back view of the lamps. Back view of the lamps. This is for mains. This is for gen 1. This is the metering. If there is a fault, we shut down. This is an emergency shutdown. This is a selector switch, auto, manual. When it is on auto, it works by itself. When you put it on manual, you select between gen 1 and gen 2. Thank you.